Samantala, may pahayag ang bagong talagang Armed Forces Chief of Staff na si General Navarrete at naniniwalang may malaking pagkakamali ang Chinese Coast Guard sa ginawa nila na pananakit sa mga kasapi ng Philippine Navy. May balita si Bombo Jovino Galang.
Naniniwala si Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Antonio Navarrete na ginagawa lamang ng Philippine Navy ang kanilang trabaho sa insidente kung saan nakasagupan nila ang ilang miyembro ng Chinese Coast Guard sa bahagi ng Ayungin Shoal. Natitiyak din ito na gumagawa ng kaparaanan ang gobyerno para tuluyang mapanagot ang mga Chinese Coast Guard.
Well, I think they're doing their job very professional. And what happened there was they were hit by a club, you know. And I think we're in a position of telling them to get away from LS 57 atin yun, yung military post natin yun. That dahil maliit yung we have two ribs, so we got two injured Navy personnel. He wants us to monitor and also look into the injured personnel natin.
Nagsagawa na rin ng pulong si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ukol sa insidente kung saan nais niyang maging maganda ang kalagayan ng mga sugatang Navy personnel. Nanindigan din si Navarrete na kanilang poprotektahan ang karagatan ng pag-aari ng Pilipinas. Tuloy-tuloy ang panawagan ng bagong Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff sa mga kasundaluhan na ituloy ang pagiging profesional at hindi magsasawa na protektahan ang bansa. Magugunitang sugatan ang isang miyembro ng Philippine Navy matapos na paluin ito ng Chinese Coast Guard na kanilang sinita malapit sa BRP Sierra Madre sa bahagi ng Ayungin Shoal.
Nagpa-brief lang siya what actually happened and kung ano na yung ating actions taken doon. And we briefed them, the President, that the two personnel are already safe. We have to stand our ground. Atin yan. Rest assured that we will also do our jobs. And I think they're ready for it. We have our rules of engagement also there. To the men and women of the AFP, let us continue the professionalism. We are professionals. Let us keep our commitment to secure and protect the land.
Ito si Bombo Jovino Galang, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 radio network in the country, your trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!